Hello guys, today we are back at it again and we are playing some more Minecraft and our old world got corrupted. So we have decided to start another one. And here's Cube Killer.
Hey! You are speaking continuously.
Filthy. Shut up. Shut up. You are not allowed to speak.
Okay.
You are not allowed to speak.
Okay, then I am going. You play alone. Is
Shut
that
up.
fine?
Shut up. Hey Horsey. What do I do? Oh. If I die, I'm gonna crush your dreams. I'm gonna haunt you forever. If I die, I am gonna. Don't even dare.
See your hands.
Don't even dare.
Your hands are so bad. Look, your hands look so bad.
What has happened to my hands?
I have seen.
Guys, I was born with a disease.
Oh.
My hands.
I'm quickly building a home for me, otherwise zombies will.
I don't know what happened to my hands because I am a noob. Actually, I'm not a noob, but I am not a noob. Noobs are those people who are new to the game. I'm not new to the game. I'm just
You are bad at every game. Which
okay, guys. I am going to. Okay.
what are you saying? I didn't hear.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I am collecting dirt. How much time?
Oh my goodness.
What?
There's your child. Your
Oh.
demon child
Oh,
is following me. Stop him.
Oh,
Your demon child will kill me. Hello, Horsey, and this
I
is my
hate the
child.
zombie childs. I hate them.
You killed your child? You killed your child? What is killing your child called homicide or genocide? I don't know. I'm stupid. Oh my gosh, guys, she killed her child.
How late did
You
you?
demon, you killed your demon child.
How late he came to know that
Your child's sibling is following me and he has a helmet. He's very angry that you killed his child. You killed his brother. Your another child is following me. Anybody please? Oh, your husband is following me now.
Are you mad or what?
Sorry. Hello, sheepy. What? Spiders. I hate spiders the most. More than creepers. Hey, Cube Killer.
What? Don't come near me. Don't come near me. I said me.
Okay, I'm going. We don't want to die, so okay. I think we both will make a separate. Those zombies have got golden helmet. See, guys, zombies have a golden helmet.
That kid is following me again and again. I will kill him.
Oh, now my hands are normal. See, I am normal. See my feet, guys. They are very clean. See these. These are my feet. What is that? Hello, baby. Do you need any help? Hello, little baby. Oh, that is not a baby. That is a demon child. He's a demon spawn. His mother should have eaten the fetus. Let's run. And let's make a home. Have you made your home yet?
No.
I have made a good home. Hello, villager. You want something? You want chicken? Chicken there. You want cooked chicken? I don't have it.
What rubbish?
I don't have it.
What rubbish are you talking?
These people are coming to me and asking for cooked chicken. I don't have it. What should I do?
I'm having.
Let's run. Where are you?
I'm making a home for myself.
I am gonna kill you.
Who are you talking?
Okay guys, let's make a house in real.
Not real house, it's just temporary for me.
Okay, in this episode we are just messing around.
Yeah, correct. Next time we will do some progress and then we'll meet you.
Okay, I hear a zombie, guys, I hear a zombie. And zombies are bad. Oh no.
Oh no.
Where are you?
I'm just building a house.
Okay guys, so the demon spawn, I don't know where she is. Where are you, demon spawn?
Just shut up, you. Why should I tell you where am I? You will come to my house otherwise and say it's yours. Otherwise.
Where are you, demon spawn?
Why should I tell you?
Okay, this looks like a good home.
That's mine. Please don't go. That's mine.
How is that your? You don't even know where I am.
Oh, I thought you were saying that mine is yours.
Get away from my house. You have no legal right. Yes guys, I can become a Karen. So to defend myself, I'm not a Karen, but these zombies make me.
House
and Enderman. We don't want to get in trouble. Why can't you just die? Just die already. Die, you demon spawn, die. Yeah, right. Oh no, we don't want to talk to you, mister. You know, these Endermen can just be lonely and they just want to talk.
I don't know what you are talking. You're talking very loud.
That's why they are very nervous. You know, lonely. They can be some introverts who don't like to talk, and the quiet kids in the class.
By mistake,
and when you do their homework, they say, "Don't come to school tomorrow." You guys know what I mean.
I hate zombies.
I know you know what I mean. Right, guys? Oh no, we don't want some trouble, Mr. Enderman. We are just some splendid man doing nothing. Okay, just break this.
God. Thank God he died.
We are not taking this home. I'm just too lazy.
See how?
We will take.
I'm already having a home.
You died? Your home didn't protect you?
Actually, I was out. I was creating a door. And by mistake.
Why is there stone everywhere? No, Mr. Enderman, we don't want to talk to you. Mr. Enderman, I have something for you. Mr.
I like
Enderman,
creepers.
Do you want some rotten flesh?
No.
All zombies, be aware. See, this is your meat. Oh, there are 2 Endermans here. No, I think there is one, but I am too stupid to understand. Why is there stone everywhere? If there is stone there, I'm leaving.
Do you want to see my house?
I'm just too lazy. 2 Endermans here. I am gonna die. I don't want to talk to you. There's 2 cows and a spider and a creeper. Why am I so slow? Why am I so slow? I died by a spider. Oh guys, she has a good home. Time to ruin her day.
Please don't.
Time to ruin your house.
Please don't. You can also stay here.
I don't want to stay in this mud house.
So first, everyone only stay.
I am a sophisticated gentleman. This is my territory. Get out.
I will kill you.
Get out. This is my territory. Are you a demon spawn? Why are you floating in there? What are you doing? Okay guys, so I will make a secret tunnel to her house. If you kill me, I will haunt your dreams.
Okay, you want.
I'll make a better house than you, and then I will kick you out saying that I will haunt your dreams.
I'm killing a sheep.
My house.
I'm killing a sheep so that I can make my bed.
I'm killing a sheep. I will make a bed. I will sleep on it.
Yeah, I will sleep on it. Yeah, I will sleep on it.
I hate you, Mr. Zombie. You didn't see that rotten flesh of...
Same, yeah. I also hate zombies. Like that who...
Yeah, and I love zombies.
Oh, yeah,
Creeper. Oh man.
I love creepers.
Creeper is like the quiet kid in your class. When you are not around him, he is really quiet. But when you come to him, he pulls out a gun and says, don't come to school next day. And you are just relieved. And next day, your school is blown up and you don't know what to do. And the quiet kid makes it out. You actually don't want to invite me to your home? Am I welcome to your home? Am I welcome to your home?
No.
I don't want to come to your dirty home. See guys, I am a sophisticated man, and sophisticated men make their homes by their own.
Guys, first I will make a mud house. After that, I will collect my...
Hello, Mr. Piggy. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. I said oink, oink. Oh, yes. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Hello, Mr. Piggy. Yes. Bad Piggy. This is my pet, Mr. Pigston. Hello, Mr. Pigston. You have to stay here. Mr. Pigston! Mr. Pigston, I will make you an house.
First make yourself a house, then make your pet. So-called Pigston.
Mr. Pigston, where are you going? Bad Pigston. Eat this dirt. Mr. Pigston.
He is saying that you are my owner. You should eat first. You have not eaten anything since the morning. You haven't done.
Take this dirt and eat it, Mr. Pigston. Mr. Pigston, where are you going? Mr. Pigston. Eat this dirt. Eat it. I am gonna make you a house, Mr. Pigston. Because I love you, Mr. Pigston. And you will never escape from my house, Mr. Pigston. Where are you going, Mr. Pigston?
Do you really have a house?
Mr. Pigston. Okay, I will go with you, Mr. Pigston. And I don't think we need to... Mr. Pigston, yeah, stay. Oh, wait. Oh, there's my doggy. Hello, mister. I don't know your name. Hello, Wolfie.
Your talks are so boring.
Mr. Pigston and Mr. Immortal Gaming Boy will kill you and haunt you in your dreams, and then they will eat you and make you to bacon if you don't eat dirt, Mr. Pigston. You know I can just fry and eat you if you don't eat your food, Mr. Pigston. Meanwhile, a woman was hard working for her. You want to make a home? Take this. You don't want to make a home? Take this, and I am going to Mr. Pigston. Where are you going, Mr. Pigston? I said come here.